sorry for the sudden call, but I just really need your help. Well, you know how I just moved into my hostel room, right? Well, it turns out that they provided me with a very small locker to put my clothes in, and which means I have very limited space to put all of my clothes in. It doesn't fit, and I just don't know what to do right now. So I'm just wondering if you have any ideas how to help with that. Any solutions? Thanks, man.
Based on the given problem statement, our team is excited to introduce a product called SEKSYEN. It's a portable and compressible solution that's perfect for students like Izaki.
With a flexi rack, our team requires two Mr. DIY assorted colors corrugated sheets at Rm 4.30 each, one Mr. DIY wall-mounted plastic adhesive hooks at Rm 1.80, 20 pieces of 0.5 meters Camder interlock jersey 58 fabric at Rm 2 ringgit each, one back strap from online retailers at Rm 29.70, one adjustable shoulder back strap belt buckle at Rm 7.70, and one waterproof nylon invisible zipper at Rm 2.50. The total estimated cost of making this product is Rm 74.60. Our product features a 27 cm width and a 40 cm length, with the bottom corners measuring 20 cm in width. Each compartment has a length of 20 cm. The top view reveals two hooks for wall hanging. Waterproof zips secure items in each compartment. The rack is made of jersey fabric with waterproof corrugated sheeting inside to enhance durability and protection. Top and bottom straps maintain the rack's shape when compressed. An adjustable shoulder back belt adds convenience for portability.
Our DIY travel rack is designed to be compact and easy to carry around, so you can take it anywhere you want. And with its adjustable compartments, you can customize it with your own suitable unique needs. The best part, it's easy to set up and take down, so you can quickly switch between different spaces. And with its durable construction, you can trust it to keep your belongings safe and secure.